Hello, welcome to my channel. I have a 2007 Toyota Camry right here. As you can see, the headlights are very not clear anymore, very foggy, and at night time it's hard to see, as you can see. So a long time ago, cars headlight used to be made of glass. Nowadays cars headlight are made out of plastic, and you know, plastic over time sitting in the sun and the dirt is going to turn this really not clear anymore. It's hard to see at night, and there's a way to restore it to shiny again. Let me show you. I've been using this right here. This works right here, the Turtle Wax lens clarifying compound. You can buy this at Walmart. It's about 15 bucks, but today I'm going to show you the cheapest way you can do this. You can use toothpaste. Toothpaste has a I believe have peroxide and baking soda in there. So squeeze a little bit of toothpaste in there. Yeah, this is the cheapest way to do it. It doesn't cost you a lot of money, and all right. And I put a little bit of baking soda in there to have some to add some abrasiveness, you know, so add some grit. So a little bit of baking soda, not too much. And I use a toothbrush. Kind of mix it up. Okay, mix it up the paste. Well, toothpaste already have baking soda in there, but I just want to add some more grits in there, more abrasion. Now just apply everything. Okay, put the toothpaste and the baking soda on the headlight, just like that. Brush it on. What you need to do is just use the toothbrush and just kind of like brushing your teeth. Do like that. Rub it. Just like brushing your teeth. Do it back and forth. And it's going to remove all that dirt and that fogginess from the headlights. Going to make it shiny again. All right. So this is not a permanent fix right here. You got to do this when it start to you know, fog up again. You need to do this maybe every 2 months or so. It's not a permanent fix. It's gonna get oxidized again. They're gonna, because it's a plastic. So okay, all right, just keep doing that for maybe a few minutes, you know, like brushing your teeth. All right, until you clean everything off. It's so easy. Okay, take some paper towel and just like that, take out all that toothpaste. All right. So soak a towel in the water. Just soak it with water a little bit, and then you can just clean off the rest of the toothpaste from the headlight. Oh, yep. You see the difference right here? All right, dry it off with the paper towel. All right, look how shiny it is right here. Now, and looks the one on the passenger side. You see the difference right there? This is very foggy, and so this is on the passenger side that I haven't cleaned it yet. And this is the one I clean it with a toothpaste. You see the difference? So you can see how shiny it is. So this is a cheap way to clean your headlights, your car headlights. Toothpaste and a little bit of baking soda for grits, for abrasion, and just mix it with toothpaste and use a toothbrush. It's you know, like brushing your teeth. It costs you maybe $1 to do this, and you do it every few months or so, and you have a bright headlights all the time, so you can see at night. You know, it's very dangerous to drive at night with a really foggy headlight. You can't see anything. So I hope you learned something here. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.